when I do an implant exchange, meaning we're going to be putting a new implant, we're going to be exchanging it for a new implant. There's lots of reasons why. In this case, the patient's breasts are droopy and she would like to have her breast lifted, and she's had her implants for quite a long time and she would like them to be a little bit bigger. And so that's actually really easy to figure out what implant size to use for her, because she already has implants in place. Here's the implant that I removed, and this is a 605 cc implant. That's an implant on the bigger side. But when I make a move to be bigger, if somebody wants to be the same size, then we're going to use an implant that's going to be 605 cc's. If she wants to be bigger, then I usually will make a implant adjustment by up 100 cc's. So if she's at 605, the next implant up would be 700. It's not 705, 700. But if we look and say, okay, well, what type of increase is that? Well, 100 cc's divided by what this is, 605, that would get us, if we added 100 cc's, that'd get us to the 700 mark. That's about a 15% increase in the size. If she wanted to go smaller, then we would just do the opposite and we would go down by 100. So if you have implants already and you want to make a size adjustment, it's fairly easy, because we usually, if someone wants to be bigger, we'll move by an increment of 100. And depending on the size of the implant, that will determine what percentage increase that is. In her case, she's going to be about 15% bigger, which is about where she wanted to be. If we were going to go smaller, we would go down to, by 100 cc's, we'd go down to a 500 cc implant. So that's kind of the basics, that's the bookmarks. Now, if she wanted to be quite a bit bigger, then we would move, instead of moving by 100 cc's, I would move by 150 or 175 or 200 cc's, depending on the discussion that we had. And the same thing with going smaller, we would make a larger increment. But if you're going to have an implant exchange and you want to see a difference in the outcome, then you should move either up or down by 100 cc's. Smaller increments, let's say here she is at 605 and I wanted to increase it by 25 cc's, that's going to be a 4% increase in size. And that's not something that she's going to notice. So if she came in and said, I want to be bigger, I have a 605, I want to be 625, it's really not going to be much of a change at all. So increment is 100, and then if you want to get bigger from there, you go more than 100, smaller from there, you go less than 100 down.